What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to bulk up fast. So before starting of the video, let me tell you guys that I have been bulking for the past 8 months and I have transformed from this to this. And yeah, I'm going to be sharing you guys my experiences that I have faced in the past 8 months. So it would be very helpful for you guys if you take a pen and paper and note down the points that I tell you. First things first, start tracking your calories and start tracking your body weight first thing in the morning and note it down, keep a log. This would help you keep a track of your progress and what things you should change and what you shouldn't. Now, I have divided the video into 3 parts: nutrition, training and recovery. Now, talking about nutrition, first things first, always keep your calories high. Be in a caloric surplus. Without being in a caloric surplus, you won't be able to grow or put on size or put on muscle. Now, what is caloric surplus? Before knowing about caloric surplus, you should know what is caloric maintenance. So the calories needed to maintain your body weight is caloric maintenance, and calories above that would put you on a surplus and you would gain size or muscle. Now, to track how much calories you should need to grow, go on to calculator.net and put in your details and you would find your surplus calories. Now, I will suggest don't be in a very high caloric surplus. Try to gain like 2 laps per month and take it slowly. The more slowly you take, the more lean mass you put on. Now, before going into details, let me tell you about a myth. There is no such thing as gaining exercise or gaining foods. So yeah, stay away from them. Now, let's talk about carbs. You need to keep your carbs high. Carbs are not your enemy. Carbs is not going to make you fat unless you are in a major surplus on carbs. The suggested number of carbs required to gain weight is 4 to 7 grams of carbs per kilogram of body weight. Now, when you keep your carbs high, the glycogen storage in your muscle cell increases, due to which you have more energy and you can work more efficiently at the gym. Most common carb sources are rice, pasta, oats, bread, potato. Now, coming to protein consumption, you need to be on a very high protein diet to put on muscle. Now, how much protein do you need? It is suggested to get 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. That's 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Why is protein so necessary? Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, which helps in recovery of your muscle. Most common protein sources are chicken, egg, nuts, protein, whey, protein bar, beans, etc. Now, if you have a difficult time eating, then I would suggest to divide your big 3 meals into 5 or 6 meals throughout the day and consume it. Coming to the most researched supplement, creatine. Creatine is the most researched supplement right now. It helps in muscle recovery and muscle growth. Now, let's talk about training. To grow muscle, you need to be on a progressive overload. And you can do this by 4 ways: increasing the weight, increasing the reps, decreasing the time between each set, or increasing the tempo of the exercise. Always remember to start your exercise with a heavy compound movement. Now, let's talk about water consumption. It's the most neglected and most crucial part too. When you are dehydrated, your perception to pain and sensitivity increases and you aren't much efficient at the gym. Now, coming to recovery, you need to take rest. You don't need to train like 7 days a week. You need to give rest at least 1 or 2 days for your muscle to recover. And you need to take every day 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Otherwise, your muscle won't be able to cope up with your training. Now, let's summarize the video. Keep your carbs intake high. Keep your protein intake high. Progressive overload on training. Consume your water. 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Take 2 days rest. Yeah, you'll see results. If I can, you can too. If you enjoy more short form of educational videos like this, then suggest me some more videos that you want me to make in the comment down below.